Step into a coastal paradise where dramatic cliffs meet sparkling blue waters, where traditional Irish music echoes through charming streets, and where a vibrant Gaelic culture comes to life. Here are the best things to do in Dingle, Ireland. Number 11. Gallerist Oratory. Gallerist Oratory is a perfect place to start diving into Ireland's rich heritage and architectural wonders. Step into the mystique of this extraordinary Christian church, impeccably preserved and steeped in history. Constructed with precision and care, the use of locally sourced Upper Silurian Old Red Sandstone, known as the Dingle Beds, adds an authentic touch to this captivating structure. Marvel at the incredible craftsmanship displayed in its mortar-free dry stone construction, a true testament to the skill and ingenuity of the Irish. While you're there, take a moment to soak in the significance of this sacred place before going on the awe-inspiring Sleigh Head route for more adventure. Number 10. Sleigh Head Scenic Drive. Sleigh Head Scenic Drive offers an unforgettable experience, showcasing the best of the Dingle Peninsula. This 30-mile loop is not only one of Ireland's most scenic roads, but also an essential part of the Wild Atlantic Way. The drive treats you to jaw-dropping coastal views that seem to stretch forever. But it's not just the views that make this drive special. Along the way, you'll encounter charming villages where Gaelic is still spoken, allowing you to further enjoy the rich tapestry of Irish culture. And guess what? You might even stumble upon famous film locations, adding an extra dash of excitement to your adventure. Number 9. Esk Tower. Perched on Carew Hill, overlooking Dingle Harbour, the historic Esk Tower awaits your exploration. Built during the Great Famine in 1847, this sturdy stone structure tells a tale of Dingle's rich past, but it offers more than just history. It's your gateway to breathtaking views in County Kerry. Ascend the steep climb, navigate the switchbacks, and you will be rewarded with a sight to behold from 600 feet above sea level. Take in the panoramic views, spanning from the charming Dingle Harbour to the wild expanse of the Atlantic Ocean. For those seeking outdoor thrills, family-friendly hikes in the vicinity of Esk Tower are highly recommended. Explore the natural beauty that surrounds you and embrace the essence of Ireland's majestic landscapes. Number 8. Inch Beach. Looking for a more delightful adventure? Look no further than Inch Beach. This 3-mile stretch of pure bliss will leave you speechless. Picture yourself walking on golden sand, feeling the soft breeze on your skin, and hearing the soothing sound of crashing waves. Whether you're a beach lover or a nature enthusiast, Inch Beach has something for everyone. Get your adrenaline pumping by trying out thrilling water sports activities like surfing or kayaking. Feel the rush as you ride the waves and embrace the excitement of the ocean. And if you're a movie buff, you're in for a treat. Inch Beach has been featured in several films, adding to its charm and attracting film enthusiasts from far and wide. Number 7. Blaskhead Islands. The Blaskhead Islands is arguably one of the city's top attractions you simply can't miss. Hop on a short boat tour from Dingletown and in no time, you'll find yourself surrounded by gripping beauty and astonishing views of the Atlantic Ocean. These islands are a real treat for nature enthusiasts. Imagine exploring rugged landscapes, stumbling upon hidden beaches, and standing on picturesque cliffs that seem to defy reality. However, there's more to enjoy here. Keep your eyes peeled for wildlife encounters. Seals love to lounge on the rocks, and you might even spot playful dolphins splashing in the surrounding waters. Number 6. Cruise around Dingle Harbour. While Dingle is filled with numerous attractions and activities, consider cruising around Dingle Harbour to take your adventure to the next level. Lasting approximately 1 hour, this guided excursion will take you through the vibrant and lively seaport of Dingle Harbour. As you sail along, absorb the cheerful atmosphere of this town and learn about its rich history and culture. Gaze at the scenic beauty surrounding you as you explore the bay with its awesome landscapes. Keep your eyes peeled for marine life spotting opportunities as well. Who knows what creatures may make an appearance during your nautical adventure? This family-friendly outing is suitable for all ages, making it a perfect choice for anyone visiting Dingle. By the way, check the links in the description for recommended tour operators that will enhance your Dingle experience and save you valuable time and effort. Number 5. Dunquin Pier. Take a leisurely stroll along Dunquin Pier, a fantastic destination located on the popular Sleigh Head Drive. This lovely spot provides sweeping vistas of the Atlantic Ocean that will leave you speechless. As you meander along the pier, you'll be enveloped by the adorable coastal beauty and a peaceful ambience, providing a much-needed escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Moreover, if you're a Star Wars enthusiast, keep your eyes peeled for scenes shot in this extraordinary locale. It is a perfect chance to connect with your favorite film series in a real-world setting. Number 4. CONOR Pass Scenic Drive. CONOR Pass Scenic Drive is an absolute delight for nature lovers and adventure seekers. The drive itself is a mesmerizing journey along one of the highest mountain passes in the country. Prepare to be enthralled by the absorbing beauty of this region as you traverse this 7-mile-long road. The views along the way are simply impressive, with landscapes that will leave you in awe. The winding and narrow roads add a sense of excitement and make it all the more thrilling for those seeking an adrenaline rush. And if you're up for some hiking, don't miss the opportunity to explore Mount Brandon. The hike offers even more stunning vistas, rewarding your efforts with engrossing wide views that will take your breath away. Number 3. Dingle Lighthouse. The Dingle Lighthouse provides another chance to enjoy a relaxed walk to one of Ireland's most beautiful locations. Located on the shores of Dingle Harbour, this amazing landmark offers an entrancing experience for nature lovers and those seeking beautiful views. The 45-minute journey immerses you in the hair-raising landscape of Kerry, with every step revealing new wonders. As you stroll along the shoreline, you'll be embraced by a sense of tranquility. As you explore further, you'll be captivated by the enchanting surroundings, allowing you to cherish every moment of this journey. Moreover, take your time to discover the gripping stories and significance of the lighthouse, adding an extra layer of fascination to your experience. Number 2. FAHAN Beehive Huts. Step into the world of FAHAN Beehive Huts, where history comes alive. These extraordinary clocons have stood the test of time and are a fascinating representation of Ireland's vibrant past. Built by the Normans in the 12th century, these cone-shaped huts showcase the outstanding craftsmanship of Irish architecture. Take in the ambience of ancient life as you wander through these meticulously preserved structures. Picture yourself in the shoes of those who lived here centuries ago and let your imagination soar. The huts also offer a unique window into the region's cultural heritage, allowing you to connect with Ireland's interesting past events on a personal level. Number 1. DUNMORE Head Viewpoint. Get ready to have your breath taken away at DUNMORE Head Viewpoint. This place is an absolute stunner, offering outstanding wide views of the rugged coastline that will leave you speechless. Perched on top of cliffs, you will also be treated to dramatic landscapes and sweeping ocean views that will keep you attracted to the site. As you explore, enjoy the sight of the crashing waves against the rocky shoreline, creating a mesmerizing symphony of nature's power. The vivid colors of the cliffs, ranging from vibrant greens to rich earth tones, paint a picturesque canvas against the azure backdrop of the sea. If you're lucky, you may even catch a glimpse of marine life frolicking in the waters below, adding an enchanting touch to the scene. Click here for more things to do in Ireland.